How to add money to PayPal mobile app. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to add money to PayPal mobile app. So let's get started. So first thing, just open up your PayPal application, and here you should see, after you successfully sign into your account, the option that is get paid. So just tap on that. So here are basically three different ways to get paid. One is to request money from the person who owe you money, obviously. So you can just locate the person who owe you money just like this, and once you select the person, you can ask them or request them for money in either euros or mentioned dollars over here. So let me just quickly select to Australian dollar, and I'll simply type in $25, let's say, and you can also add a note to that person for the reminder of your money, why you are requesting your money, just like that, and simply click on review. So another way, or the last final way, is you can just click on this get paid option over here, and once again, and simply click on this third option, that is show QR code. So you will be basically receiving your money onto your account whenever people will trying to pay you on PayPal using other PayPal as well. So you can just tap on this get started button over here, which will obviously show your QR code where you can easily get paid. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.